Every Zen board purchased comes with our proprietary Zen Studio software, but also we offer, bundled with the package, EasyTeach. EasyTeach is a great educational software application relevant for kindergarten through to year 12. Today I'm going to show you some basic features of EasyTeach to show you its value and how in English medium that it's a very, very strong program indeed. EasyTeach works using toolbars and content packs. So the toolbars available for EasyTeach, you can see the basic main EasyTeach toolbar here, but also you can purchase toolbars for maths, for science, for literacy. This means that when a teacher is doing one particular subject, they are able to just have that toolbar out, that toolbar being relevant for the activity they are doing, which means the screen is not overcrowded or overloaded with unnecessary tools which the teacher does not need. So, EasyTeach is very easy to operate. It's very much icon driven. You can see here the main button underneath the hand tool is the text tool called Edit Mode. Now, anywhere I click, I can actually write text. You can see here if I click on the on-screen keyboard, that will allow me to type directly onto the screen as I like. I'll get rid of those now. Next to that, you have the highlighting tool, which allows you to highlight text very easily and quickly in any different colour. Below that, we have the writing annotation tool, and you can see with the responsiveness of the Zen board that this is quite a strong match. Next to that, you have the click to delete function. So if I want to delete something, I simply click on the rubbish bin and then click on the item I'd like to delete. Underneath that, you will see a great function of this software, which is the Speak Word and Speak Paragraph tool. I'll use the Speak Word to show you this.
Hello.
You can hear that you get a lady by the name of Lucy reading the text for you.
Hello.
Now this is not just true of single words, it will read whole paragraphs for you in very clear, easy to understand English. So this is a great feature of EasyTeach. Along with that, you have all of the regular features such as different line tools, curved lines, and under that you have different shapes. All of these you can fill with different colours quite simply and easily. Now, if I would like a new page, I can simply click on this new page button here to give myself a clean canvas to show you some more things. Now, the next tool that I'd like to show you is in the shapes, is the polygon tool. You can see many standard shapes. I can automatically change the fill colour, and you see it automatically change to the right, and also the line colour that goes around the edge of those shapes as well. So simply, if I'd like one of these shapes, I can simply drag it out onto the canvas, and once it's dragged onto the canvas, I can select it, I can move it, or I can edit the shape by clicking on the edit button and editing the size, changing the orientation or rotating the shape anywhere on the screen. Along with this, you can see underneath two very important buttons, the undo and redo button. This is obviously very useful for teachers when doing their work in the classroom. Here we have the zoom tool, which allows you to click on the zoom and then click on the area that you would like to highlight. To go back to normal, you simply click on the zoom out button. Now, around the rest of the screen, you will notice down this side are the slides that I have made, the first slide and the second slide. Underneath here is another way of navigating through the slides, up and down. Here is the new slide. I've created a third slide now. Here is the file menu. Very simple, regular features there. Toolbars. Here is where you can see access to all of the different toolbars. For example, Maths toolbar, Science toolbar, and the literacy toolbar, just as basic examples. In other tutorials, I will show you through these to give you a better understanding of how they work. Next, I will show you the resources for EasyTeach, which are very strong and teachers love them. The resources down here, we'll start off with the multimedia bank. So in here, you'll find everything from images, videos and sound to flash activities, which you can store on your local network and draw up through EasyTeach and embed them in the EasyTeach file. Let's start off with some regular images. Let's start off with some characters. If I'd like a bee, I drag up the bee, monkey. Let's get a person. And again, once on the screen, they're very easy to manipulate and use either with an opaque marker or obviously your finger as well, using the Zen Board IR. As well as images, we can add flash activities, as I mentioned before. Let me show you a flash activity as an example. Here is one which is a great way to teach time. You can see the analog clock here, and by touching the screen, simply I can manipulate the hands very quickly and easily to simulate different times. Along with that, I can choose digital or both times at the same time. And down the bottom, I can have different additions, 10 minutes more, 10 minutes more. I can change the time here, and I can transfer the time down below to the digital clock. So these flash activities are very, very strong in any educational environment. Okay, as well as that, you can import videos or use videos that are already stored in the EasyTeach software, and also sounds. Let me show you some sounds. Instruments or general, car horn, breaking glass, bass drum, a large list of different sounds. And again, these sounds can be very easily dragged in and can be used in matching activities where the students get to listen to the sound and match it either to words or images or anything. You can be very creative with these sounds. Okay, that's the multimedia resource bank. And the other thing that in the resource area, you can store word banks in here, so certain word lists that you would like to have for different year levels, and also you can store the different content packs. The only thing I would also like to show you is, I'll just switch sides so you can see the other aspects down here. Here is a quick menu for you to be able to access different colours very quickly and easily. And also a quick, very useful tool called the Spotlight tool, where you create a spotlight on what you would like to cover. And this tool here is another great way for you to spotlight your work and show students a certain part at a time. Double clicking will remove you from this function. If you'd like to hide the toolbar, you can simply click here to hide the toolbar. And I think that is everything I will show you in this session. So there you have it, an introduction to EasyTeach. I hope you found that informative and can now see how EasyTeach can be used in your school, in your classrooms, for great effect in teaching and learning.